we're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form from this table. So the first thing that we have to do is actually find the slope. Your slope is your change in y's divided by the change in x. So let's find the change in y's first. Notice your y's are at the bottom of this table. So the change in the y's is figuring out what do you have to add from one to get to the other. So to get from 10 to 15, I add 5. To get from 15 to 20, I add 5. And to get from 20 to 25, I have to add 5. So the change in y's is 5. Your change in x's. So here's the x's. From 3 to 6, I have to add 3. From 6 to 9, I have to add 3. And from 9 to 12, I have to add 3. So that change is 3. So my slope is 5/3. This fraction does not reduce. The next thing you have to find is your y-intercept. Well, your y-intercept is when x equals 0. You got to figure out, hey, what's that y value when x is 0? If you're looking at the x values that are given, none of those are 0, so you have to go backwards in the pattern to get to 0. I know if I go back 3 from 3, I can get to 0. So now I have to follow that same pattern on the y's. So instead of going up 5, I need to go back 5. 10 minus 5 gives me 5. So my y-intercept is 5. Now that I have my slope and my y-intercept, I can write my slope-intercept form equation. Y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. So my equation is y equals 5/3 x plus